What is meant by belief in preordainments or qadar? The belief in preordainments or qadar means to believe that everything, good or bad, happens or take place according to what Allah has a knowledge of it. But understand one thing very clearly. Allah has knowledge of past, present and future in one go. Allah can see and has knowledge of all three time frame at once. Allah doesn't force people to do bad. Allah doesn't force people to do good deeds. Allah gives guidance according to the person's desire, according to the person's wish, according to the person's dua and his prayer. Finally, Allah has created everything in due proportion. Thank you.